want to show you how to use Vocabulary Builder in Empower to temporarily limit the words showing on the screen. You may want to do this to reduce distractions for individuals or to emphasize certain words you want to teach. I am currently in Unity 36 sequenced, but know that the way you use Vocabulary Builder in the other Unity configurations and LAMP Words for Life is the same in Empower on an accent speech generating device. First, you're going to select Menu and then Vocabulary Builder. Now, Vocabulary Builder is on, and there are two ways to do this. The first way I'm going to show you is by using Quick Add. Now I'm going to type a series of words that I want to show, and I'm going to separate them with a comma. Let's just say go and stop, and I select Finished. Now you can see the only words on my screen are go and stop. I can tell I'm in Vocabulary Builder because I see this grid that shows me Vocabulary Builder is turned on. Now if I want to bring back all my words, I go back to Menu, I click on Vocabulary Builder, and I click here to turn it off. It tells me Vocabulary Builder is off. Okay, now I'm going to select Exit, and you can see all my words are back. If I want to go back to Vocabulary Builder, I select Menu, Vocabulary Builder. It's turned on, and I can see there are my two words. Let's say I want to add a new word. I'm going to click on Quick Add, and now I add another word. Let's add the word help. And I say Finished, and now I've got three words: go, help, and stop. Once again, if I want to bring back all my words, I go back to Menu, Vocabulary Builder, I turn it off, select Exit, and all my words are back. A second way to use Vocabulary Builder is to select on the icons that you want to show. I'm going to go back to Menu, turn Vocabulary Builder on, and this time I'm going to select to add a word. Let's say I want to add the word eat, and I know the icon sequence for eat. I'm going to select apple and verb for eat. Then I'm going to select Exit, and now you can see I've added the word eat into my words. So that's an example of how you can use Vocabulary Builder in Empower.